PP material stationary fluorescent 10 welding. Customer requirements is firm and beautiful. At the same time, UH, but also to pass the airtightness test. We matched the customer with this 20 kHz, 3000 watts, ultrasonic plastic welding machine. The welding is completed. The welding effect is also fully meet customer requirement, firm and beautiful. Airtight test is also perfect through. This is the ultralytic welding, machine efficient and powerful. If you also have the welding needs of plastic products, welcome to leave us a message.